we'll go there in a sec. Where are we going? Are we gonna stay on the beach tonight? We're gonna stay on the beach. Yeah. Ding ding. Come on! Whoa! How cool is this? Right there, at the beach, everywhere. It's windy again, but it's supposed to drop out later. Wow!
But who needed a turn?
There it is. Up. Go! Woo! Almost there. Keep going. Come on. Yay! Thanks, Ellie. Whoa, whoa. Wind is dying off. How's that? Yeah. On the beach, baby. Woo! What are you doing? Go back in your seat.
Ellie, hop
Nope.
back in your seat.
Alright, we're gonna have to stop. Quick, get back in. Right, stop. And you too. The Jedis. Hold it up to your face, say really close to your nose. Whoa! You can what?
I can see babies. I got some
pretty
light
cool.
with it.
Isn't it?
I can see this with the eye.
Yeah.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today.
So when the water comes up high tide, Ellie, that fills up with water. So you might be swimming with fishies.
Go and have a feel, see if it's cold or not.
Okay.
What's it like?
It's more.
Not warm? Or is it cold? It's warm. It's not too bad. 0.9 over there. Got all the pelicans on the wall there, Elle. Whee! Go, can you walk across the bridge? It's super rocky. Dave, walk across here. Whoa! That's making it trickier. Let go.
Morning time.
Go! Go down! Go down! Come on, bye! Go! Push you down too. What are you talking about? Don't talk about that stuff. Ew. You crazies. Oh God, there's birds. Ew. Right. Do your biggest kick ever. Do your biggest kick you can do.
Okay.
Whoa. Come on. Come get it. Woo. Oh, okay. One. Literally sardines down there, and we've got this whole area. Go Lala! Come on. Whoa! Lala. Ben? Where is it? Over there. Over here. Ben. No, the next one. Next one. Yeah. No, this one in the middle. Behind you. In here. In here. Good girl. Oh, cheese, hi. They're making the most bizarre noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds like a helicopter in slow motion or something. Weird. And there is bucket loads of them everywhere. Holy moly. Each of the three 40-metre long blades weighs 7.5 tons. Those big boys. Each tower weighs 90 tons. Are you serious? That is crazy. What? Oh, is it locked? Bummer. Look at all the bricks. This would have taken ages to build, wouldn't it? Oh. Windy as usual. Come around here. It's locked.